How to clean the feet with baking soda. The good thing about taking care of your feet is that you don't need to visit a salon to maintain their good condition. We have an amazing method for you which you can do at your own home. By repeating this treatment regularly, you will notice amazing results, and finally, your feet will look good. Just follow the instructions below. Needed ingredients: 4 to 5 liters of water, 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Directions: dissolve the baking soda in hot water and soak your feet in the solution for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, scrub your feet with a pumice stone, apply a nourishing cream or Vaseline and put on socks. After one treatment, you should notice significant improvement. Repeat this procedure every day, for 5 to 7 days, then take a break for 1 week and repeat the procedure once again. You need a total of 3 treatments.